Welcome back to Explore Error. Today, I'll show you how to join groups on Instagram. Let's get started. First, go to the official Instagram website or open the Instagram app on your phone. Log into your account, and once you are logged in, you will see your home page. On the upper right side, click on the message icon to open your messages. Now, go to the search bar and type the name of the group you want to join. For example, if you want to join a job seekers group, you can type jobs and look through the related results. Choose the group you want from the results. Let's say we select this one. After opening the group, click on the Join button. Once you join, you will be able to see the messages in the group and receive notifications from that group. Keep in mind that you can directly join public groups, but if the group is private, you will need to send a request first and wait for approval. And that's how you can join groups on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.